Ho, ho, ho! Well, hello there, math magician. I hear that you've been good boys and girls this year. Well, this is freaky. There's two Santa Claus looking at you. Weird. Well, I'm here to explain to you your activity for today. By now, you should have received who you're working with today. Ho, ho, ho! Your sub should have given you your activity sheet. No, not two, but just one, right? Now, I'm going to tell you all about what you're going to do today. Please stop the video if this is freaking you out a little bit, okay? Well, please follow along. All right, so CSI, today you will be detective. In fact, you'll be math magicians, okay? Your job, detective, is to find which of these evil-looking, criminal-looking folks out here is Pythagorean Tanlines. I wonder who? Is it Amanita, Caitlin, Shabazz, Azvedi, Bow, 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 or Louis? Oh no! I guess you'll find out if you solve the crime with precision. All right, let me read you. Please follow along, detectives, as we read over the crime that's been happening all over the world. Detectives, this evil genius group, the Math Magicians, have crossed the Atlantic and are terrorizing Greece. Indications are that they are behind a number of robberies across the country, and they are making progress in the construction of a world-conquering device. Uh-oh. Notes have been found at each site and have been signed Pythagorean Tanlines. Through our intelligence, we've determined this individual is a high-ranking member of this group. Once again, we have received a cryptic message that we've been told that the result will calculate to Tanline's favorite number. Thus far, there are six suspects that the police have questioned. It is hoped that someone with relatively strong number sense, that's you, Gumshoe, and spatial reasoning skills can crack some codes that have puzzled the detectives on the case so far. You'll be working with one or two others, so I'm sure you can solve who Pythagorean Tanlines is. Your job is to bring Pythagorean Tanlines to justice and save the planet. Since you are being brought in as a specialist, you have to have definitive proof in order for any arrest to hold up in court. You need to be prepared to state your case and demonstrate your understanding of the following skills that Tanlines is known to use in his or her notes. Yeah, we don't know who Tanlines is. Here are some of the skills you're going to be utilizing. Evaluating trig expressions, trig identities, law of sines and law of cosines, the unit circle, amplitude, period, and frequency. Be sure to include other examples of the concept, definitions, and other relevant information. This is not a time to be sloppy. The slightest miscalculation or illegible footnote could result in not guilty verdict. Oh, did I mention that the use of a calculator might prematurely set off this world-conquering device? Good luck to you, Gumshoe. Chief Harris. Oops, Santa Claus. Actually, you are allowed to use a calculator, your TI Inspires, for most of them, but I don't think you'll really need it. For example, like scene number 2, you'll probably use a calculator. Yeah, you're allowed to use a calculator, but I don't think you will a lot of times. But Gumshoe, do you feel prepared? Make sure you get along with your buddies, and you guys both use your notes and whatever else you need to, especially the brain, Gumshoe. Remember, be precise. Well, good luck to you. Again, which of these criminals is Pythagorean Tanlines? Well then, adios.